Welcome back. Today, just pulled into the Dunedin Causeway Beach area. We're going to try to launch from here, go out to where the inlet meets the Gulf of Mexico, see if we can get into something. Heard that there are a bunch of Spanish mac running through here, and I'd like to check out Pompano. So I'm going to start out on the causeway. I think I'm just going to put a little spoon on the back of the kayak to troll as I pedal across to the inlet. And once at the inlet, we'll start throwing a pompano jig, see if we can get lucky. It's a beautiful day. The fog is just rising. It is 8:45. I think major feeding time is about 10 o'clock. So we should be able to hit the major feeding time if that means anything. Never hurts to be within it. So I'm going to give it a shot. And I'll see you out on the water. Finally, actually on the water. It starts out extremely nice shallow grass flat here off the beach, and we are heading dead ahead to where that boat is. I don't know if you can see the boat, but I'm gonna drop a spoon behind me, drop my pedals down, and start trolling on the way to where we actually want to fish. Well, this looks like a decent area right here, but don't want the grass flats fish. We want some pompano. Let's go catch something. We got the first hookup on the spoon. It's a jumper, but it's behind me. I can't see what I got. I guess some ladyfish maybe. We'll see. Nice big lady and an easy release. All right, so you probably didn't get to see that big lady. I'm gonna start jigging for the pompano. I'm starting out with a yellow and white with a pink teaser. I don't know that colors matter that much, but sometimes it seems that switching up colors will make a difference. Immediately hooked up. So tighten down the drag. Took one jump, so I'm thinking could possibly be another lady. It's got some fight. To me. Yep. Another lady that jumped into my lap and got released. So, off to a good start. First cast at the jig, got a lady. Trolling over here on the way, we got a lady. I don't know if I'm snagged or if I got a fish. Let's find out. I'm in trouble. Oh Lord. Big wake coming behind me while I'm hooked into God knows what. Get retied and try it again. Oh, nice hit that we missed. There we go. Can't tell what it is. Oh, that's a pump. Little pump. Finally, the targeted species. And he's a little guy. Won't even measure him. Let him go. Sorry, pump. Hold on. Hold on. And those spikes. There you go. Better fish, better fish. Come on, stay hooked. Stay pinned. This might be a keeper. It's running like a pump. Yep. Stay pinned. Nice pump. There we go. That's what we wanted. There we go. That's the keeper pump we're looking for. It's about 13 going in the box. Thanks for stopping by, and please do a thumbs up, leave a comment, give me some pointers. Appreciate the corrections and the pointers, and hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to go on a few more trips with me. Thanks. I'll see you out on the water.